Welcome to Riz English Channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. I'm super excited for today's episode because it's something that makes everyone a little nervous when learning English.
Oh yes, definitely. Let me ask you this. Have you ever said an English word and someone looked at you funny? Like they didn't understand you, but you were sure you said it right?
Oh yes, that's me. I always think I said it perfectly, and then people go, "What?"
Exactly. You're not alone, Zoe. Today's episode is all about English words people always mispronounce.
Oh, that's going to be fun and useful too.
Very useful, because pronunciation isn't just about sounding fancy, it's about being understood. So if you've ever struggled with words like Wednesday, comfortable, or recipe, don't worry, you'll get them right after today.
Nice. So, everyone listening, stay with us until the end. We'll practice together, and I promise you'll sound more confident in English.
Perfect. All right, let's start. But first, Zoe, how was your morning?
My morning was good. I had coffee, maybe too much coffee.
Too much coffee is never enough coffee.
True. I was actually watching some English videos this morning, and I noticed some people say words in such different ways.
Yes, that's because English pronunciation is tricky. Sometimes the word looks one way, but sounds completely different.
Yeah, like knife. There's a K, but you don't say it.
Exactly. So let's start with a few common words that English learners often mispronounce, and we'll fix them together. Ready?
Ready.
All right. Let's start easy. The word Wednesday.
Oh, that one always confuses me. I used to say Wednesday.
That's very common. But the correct way to say it is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Perfect. Let's say it together. Everyone listening, repeat after me. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Great. Notice how the D sound kind of disappears? We don't say Wednesday, we say Wednesday.
So it's like two sounds, Wednes and day.
Exactly. Easy, right?
Yeah, much easier.
Okay, next one. This is a word almost everyone says wrong at some point. The word is comfortable.
Come for ta bull.
That's what most people say when they read it. But in spoken English, we usually say comfortable or comfortable.
Wait, only three sounds? Comfortable?
Exactly. We don't say every letter clearly. Try it. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Perfect. Again, everyone listening, say it with us. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Very good. Now, Zoe, can you use it in a sentence?
This chair is very comfortable.
Nice. Natural and clear.
Wow, it sounds so different from how it looks.
Yes, and that's the fun part about English. You learn the rhythm more than just the spelling.
That makes sense.
Let's move on. Here's one that people mix up a lot. The word recipe.
Oh, I used to say recipe.
Yes, many people do, but it's actually recipe.
Recipe.
Great. Repeat again. Recipe.
Recipe.
Nice. Can you use it in a sentence?
My mom gave me her secret recipe for chocolate cake.
Oh, chocolate cake, my favorite kind of English lesson.
Same here.
Okay, let's do another one. The word vegetable.
Oh, yes. I used to say vegetable.
Right, but we don't say all those syllables. The correct way is vegetable.
Vegetable.
Perfect. It's shorter and smoother. Again, vegetable.
Vegetable.
Excellent. Listeners, say it too. Great job.
This is fun. I feel like I'm training my mouth muscles.
That's exactly what pronunciation is. Like exercising your tongue and lips.
So pronunciation practice is like a gym for the mouth.
Yes, the mouth gym. Okay, here's another word that surprises many people. Debt.
Debt. Oh, I always said debt.
Right, but the B is silent, so we just say debt.
Just debt.
Yes, like I paid my debt.
Got it. I have no debt.
Perfect. So remember, no B sound in debt.
English is full of silent letters.
It is. Like the next one, island.
I know this one. You don't say the S, it's island, right?
Exactly. Island, not island.
So, I want to live on an island.
Beautiful.
Preferably a warm one with no work.
I'll join you.
Deal.
All right. Next, the word salmon.
Ah, yes, the fish. Many people say salmon.
Right. But again, the L is silent. So it's salmon.
Salmon.
Perfect. Say it again, everyone. Salmon.
Salmon.
Great job. So if you're in a restaurant, you say, I'd like grilled salmon, please.
That sounds natural.
Okay, next, this one is funny. The word clothes.
Oh, I always say clothes with the TH.
Most learners do, but native speakers often say it faster, almost like clothes.
Clothes?
Exactly. You can say that way. I bought new clothes yesterday.
That's easier. Clothes.
Yes, just like close the door.
Wait, they sound the same?
Almost. It depends on how fast people talk. But don't worry, people will understand either way.
That's good to know.
All right. Next, a big one. Pronunciation.
Oh, no, I always get this wrong.
It's very ironic. The word pronunciation is often mispronounced.
I used to say pronunciation.
Many people do, but the correct way is pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Yes. Notice it's none, not noun.
Pronunciation.
Beautiful.
Finally.
See, you're learning fast.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, student. All right, let's check a few more, okay?
Sure.
Next word, dessert versus desert.
Oh, that's confusing.
Yes. Listen carefully. Dessert, with the stress on the second syllable, means something sweet, like cake or ice cream.
Dessert.
Exactly. But desert, stress on the first syllable, means a dry, sandy place.
So, I want dessert in the desert.
Perfect. Great sentence.
It sounds funny.
Yes, but that's how you remember it.
Nice. Trick.
Okay, now one that's very short but often mispronounced. Pizza.
Oh, I used to say pizza or pizza.
Right, but it's pizza.
Pizza.
Great. The TS sound is important. Pizza.
Pizza.
Yum.
You always think of food.
I can't help it. Okay, another funny one. Breakfast.
I used to say break fast, slowly.
That's okay, but in natural English, we say breakfast.
Breakfast.
Perfect. It's perfect. It's faster, smoother.
So I had breakfast at 8 a.m.
Exactly.
Wow, I sound more fluent already.
You do. And everyone listening, you're improving too, even if you're just repeating out loud.
Yeah, that's true. Repeating really helps.
It does. Let's practice a few more together, like a mini pronunciation workout.
Okay, mouth gym time.
Yes. Say these after me. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Debt.
Debt.
Salmon.
Salmon.
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Excellent.
That was fun.
You see, small steps make a big difference.
Yeah, and hearing the right sound helps a lot.
That's why I always tell learners, listen to English every day, even for 5 minutes. Your ears learn faster than your brain sometimes.
Wow, I like that. Your ears learn faster than your brain.
It's true.
So, Riz, what should listeners do after this episode?
Good question. After listening, pick 3 of these words and practice them in sentences. For example, Wednesday is my favorite day. Or, I love salmon for dinner.
Simple but useful.
Exactly. And record yourself speaking, even for 1 minute. You'll hear your own progress.
I do that sometimes. It helps me notice small mistakes.
Yes, and it builds confidence.
So, pronunciation is not about being perfect. It's about being clear.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
All right, let's do a quick recap before we close today's lesson.
Okay.
We learned that many English words have silent letters, like debt, island, and salmon.
Right. No B, no S, and no L.
Perfect. Then we practiced words that sound shorter than they look, like comfortable, vegetable, and Wednesday.
Wednesday, comfortable, vegetable.
Excellent memory.
Thanks.
And we talked about confusing pairs, like dessert and desert.
Dessert is sweet. Desert is hot and dry.
Exactly.
And we ended with pizza and breakfast.
Correct. Pizza and breakfast.
Now I'm hungry again.
English learning can make you hungry, apparently.
Or maybe I just think of food too much.
Maybe both.
Giggles.
All right, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, pronunciation takes practice, not perfection.
Yeah, and don't be shy to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward.
Exactly. Keep repeating, keep listening, and keep smiling.
And if you liked this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
That's right. Your support helps us keep making fun lessons for you.
And tell us in the comments, which English word do you find hard to pronounce?
We might include it in our next episode.
That sounds great.
Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, You can do this.
Bye, everyone.
Take care, friends. See you soon. Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.